Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to create custom maps in Among Us. Well, to do that, download and install the Unity game engine from the official website. So search for Unity game, then go to unity.com, the official website of Unity game, and here click download to download this application. Obtain the Among Us Unity assets from the internet. This includes character models, textures, and other game elements. Launch Unity and start a new project. Import the Among Us assets into the project. Use Unity's Scene editor to design your custom map. Place objects, create rooms, and set up tasks for players. Position player spawn points in various locations on the map. Ensure they are evenly distributed. Integrate task and events system using Unity's scripting capabilities. Customize task location and events connection. Add camera and security system to enhance gameplay. Ensure they cover key areas and contribute to the game's dynamics. Regularly playtest your map to identify and fix any issues. Consider gathering a group of players to provide feedback. Optimize the map for performance and refine details based on player feedback. Make adjustments to improve gameplay flow. Once satisfied, share your custom map with the Among Us community. Distribute it through platforms like Discord or the Steam Workshop. And that's how to create custom maps in Among Us. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.